Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now to continue. Essentially, my video got cut off. I don't know why, but I'm going to pick up from where I last left off. So we trimmed the circles. Now we have to create the radiuses, okay? Create the radiuses. We're going to have to do some copying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my object layer property. I want to copy some of these lines, okay? So I'm going to copy this line, press enter. I'm going to bring it up 0.38. Then these two lines, I'm going to do this line. Bring this right here down 0.38. Okay. Now I'm going to copy, probably see if I can copy these two lines together. Um, yep, I can, 0.38. And then copy these two lines together. Bring that over 0.38. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our object layer properties again. Okay. We're going to make sure we're in our object layer properties, and we're going to create 4 ISO circles around. Okay. So remember, drop down menu, axis end, ISO circle, get that center point right there, change it over to diameter, and that's going to be 0.76 for our diameter. As you can see, they're going to be touching. Now, if you want, you can copy these onto the 4 corners. So you can go like this, get the center, one right here, one right there, one right there. So that is quicker. If you want to draw it out on each line, you can as well. Now we're going to trim, okay? So I'm going to go here. First, I'm going to trim this line, and this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and these two right here. Then I'm going to trim the circles, okay? As you can see, we're getting some fillets. There we go. So now we have fillets that are radiuses of 0.38 inches. Okay. So after we trim, we're going to have to basically copy this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my construction layer properties because I really just want to copy. Now, I'm going to press escape. I'm going to select all this, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy. I'm going to change my plane to the top. I want the top plane. I'm going to select this point. And the reason why I want the top plane is because I want to go from front to back. I'm going to copy this 1 inch. Okay. Press escape. Now, we're going to have to do some connecting and trimming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start connecting it at certain points, here to here. Zoom in. I want this point to this point. I want this endpoint to this endpoint. Okay. I'm going to want from this quadrant right here to this quadrant. Okay. I'm going to zoom into the bottom right here. This quadrant to this quadrant. All right. And then from this quadrant to this quadrant. So as you can see, it's becoming solid, right? Now, we have to do some trimming. So I want to get rid of, actually, I could delete these circles, right? We don't really need them. So 3 back circles that copied, we don't need them. Just remember that. Now, let's start up here. What am I going to trim? Well, I'm going to trim whatever I shouldn't see through a solid object, okay? So, this stuff right here, stuff right here, here, here. Um, yeah, I could probably delete this stuff. Let me see. That could be deleted, okay? This can't be deleted because we need this portion right here. So we have to trim. This can be deleted. I'm going to trim right here. There we go. Okay. So now that I've trimmed all that, our drawing is complete. Um, I'm not going to want center lines on this one or dimensions. So just make sure you upload it, okay? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. Take care.